In early February 2023, an ice storm hit the southern United States, taking at least 10 people's lives in Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. The freezing rain and sleet-iced roads caused numerous accidents. More than 500,000 households were left without power. The bad weather led to the cancellation of more than 1,500 flights. The freezing rain did not last long, but the ice melted slowly, keeping trees and branches in danger of falling. In the capital of Texas, the city of Austin, the damage from the ice storm was compared to the effects of a tornado. Texans unaccustomed to severe cold were hit the hardest. For them, this is the second time in 3 years that February brings freezing temperatures and winds, leading to prolonged power outages. In 2021, hundreds of people in Texas didn't survive the cold weather, and the state's energy system was brought to the brink of total failure. According to the latest data, a cold front moving across the country will continue to bring harsh Arctic temperatures to the northern plains, Midwest, and Northeast U.S. Climate events are becoming increasingly unpredictable. What about in your region? Have you noticed anything unusual lately? Write about it in the comments.